Na nababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Nobi Tsa for sending us our merienda for this afternoon, guys. Again, we would like to thank them and give them a huge appreciation for sending us and being generous to us. Now, let me introduce the products they sent us. And by the way, guys, the store is located in Masantol, Pampanga. So if you're interested to buy these products, make sure to check out their fan page, which is flashing on your screens right now. And grabe, ang mura lang po ng mga pagkain na sinaserve nila. So again, these are a lot, pero please guys, bear with me. I'm just gonna mention them one by one before we take a taste of them. So starting off with their pizza. So this is a cheesesteak pizza and this one is an overload pizza. Meron din po tayo ditong shawarma. Now, in the middle, we have this snack box. So they call it snack box. What's inside the snack box? So you have your fries, hash brown, chicken nuggets, chicken poppers, cheese sticks. We have some rolls. Yeah, and we also have burgers. So these are available for orders and deliveries. Again, let's continue. This is their Damulag burgers. The first one is the Damulag breakfast burger, and then the other one naman is Damulag chicken nuggets burgers. Guys, check them out. These are really huge. So tingnan nyo naman guys how fresh and how mouth-watering yung mga burgers natin. So now, let's go to their sweets. Meron po tayo ditong peach mango. And then meron din tayong blueberry. And then the other one is an Kit Kat Oreo float. Yan, Kit Kat Oreo float. Grabe, I'm gonna taste this one later. So guys, let's move on. Again, please bear with me. I'm gonna give a rundown dito sa mga milk teas and mga fruit juices nila. So these are like 18 pieces, 18 glasses of refreshment. So let me give a rundown in 3, 2, 1, now! So meron tayo ditong strawberry soda. We also have lychee Yakult. And then we have this kiwi lemonade, green apple fruit tea, matcha latte, matcha mousse lava. We have classic Nutella, winter melon, Okinawa, coffee jelly. I'm gonna taste this one later. Let's continue. Meron din tayong dark choco cream puff. We do have a chocolate cream puff, ube taro cheesecake. So this is one of their best sellers o line ng mga refreshments. And then meron din tayo ditong red velvet Oreo cheesecake, choco Oreo cream cheese, and then the last is the Hershey's cream cheese. Whew, grabe. Just the introduction and the, just letting you know the names already took up some time sa vlog natin. But then again, guys, we would like to thank them for being generous to us, coming all the way from Masantol, Pampanga. So let's get into the fun part of the vlog. I wanna taste first yung kanilang mga chicken nuggets. So you have, I think this is hot sauce, pero I'm gonna dip dito sa cheese natin. Oh wow, I like it. First off, sa mga refreshment nala, I wanna stop here dito sa this one. So this is a coffee jelly. Let me check if it's a tea-based. There you go. Oh wow. So this is one of their ice blend refreshment. This is a coffee and it has some jelly as an add-on. So this is gonna wake you up, guys. Next, I want to try itong kanilang, I believe this is the cheesesteak, no? There's so much ingredients sa taas niya. Oh wow, grabe. Just 160 pesos for this pizza. I believe they have as low as 125 pesos. Meron tayong ham and cheese for the pizza. Now for the premium blends natin, I want to taste this ube taro cheesecake. Oh, wow! Tastes like a little native to me because syempre yung ube. Oh wow. Oh wow. Now I want to taste their shawarma. So let me say, I must recommend their shawarma. The ingredients inside yung wrap natin, once you take a bite of it, it explodes in your mouth. I guess ito yung shawarma na nag-align sa panlasa natin mga Pinoy. So next refreshment, this is their lychee Yakult. Oh wow, I like it. You know what? I could finish this one. So meron din tayong mga cheese sticks. Alright, so next I wanna taste is yung kanilang, this is their hot dog sandwich. One of their hot dog sandwich. You gotta check their fan page. And they do have some combos. So this is what they call mix and shake. Again, you gotta check out their fan page kung ano po yung mga available combos or yeah, food na sinaserve nila. It's a huge sandwich, guys. You gotta love their overload of cheese toppings, plus the bread. You gotta commend the bread. So next refreshment, I wanna taste. I think I'm gonna go for the Choco Oreo cream cheese right now. This is just an overload of chocolate, guys. Choco Oreo cream cheese. If you're a chocolate lover, you gotta try this one. Wow, grabe. So guys, again, these snacks are a lot, so I gotta share them with my family. I'm gonna call them. But before I leave you guys, I would like to appreciate your time as well as Nobi Tsa for sending us a generous delivery for us coming from all the way from Masantol, Pampanga. If you guys like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends and make sure you tag your friends na nagki-crave ng mga snacks na nakita nyo dito sa vlog na to. So again, thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Stay safe, stay at home, and God bless us all, guys. Until our next video, peace. I'll see you there. Bye.